Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Zoho Writer to Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer work drive or the Zoho work drive. Now open your Zoho Writer file. Now I am select this file and click open. Double click this file to open. Now we can see here a file on Zoho Writer. This file is editable. Now we want to convert the file to Google Docs. Select the file option. Then select the download as option. And we can see here the many download option. Now I am select Microsoft Word Docs file. Then select this and wait some moment to downloading the file. We can see here download the file as a Microsoft Word. Then we create a new tab and open the Google Docs. Now I am select the Docs option. Then select the three dot option and choose the Drive option. And click the new option. Then click upload file. Then upload the downloaded file from this drive. Now I am select this option upload. We can see here the version is uploaded. Now I am select this version and click open option. Open with Google Docs. Then check the file. We can see the file are editable. Here the image or the text are all editable. You can edit the text. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse and applying the bold or the italic effect. You can increase the font size, otherwise change the color. You can select the image and resize this. Now we can see we convert Zoho Writer to Google Docs easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.